it's your girl JS. So I am a redhead. I'm gonna permanently be a redhead after this. Like, dope fire. I love it. So I got this hair from AliExpress. It's a company on AliExpress called Dreaming Hair, and they killed it. I love it. It is 100% human hair, 8 inches. But when I like pulled it out, because it came like this, it came curled, like came set, okay, had ready for me to cut the lace. That was it. Everything else, they did it, and I appreciate that as well. Sometimes I hate having to curl it. Sometimes weaves and certain flat irons and curling irons make it stink. I hate that. This didn't come with a stitch. The hair is super soft, as you can see. Real red, real red. And this is the first time I have worn red human hair. I've worn red synthetic hair, and it was more like a deep, darker wine color. I want to go brighter than this eventually, but right now this is, you know, rocking it. I'm able to look like Ronald McDonald and keep it cute. The only thing I use, looks like to lay down my edges and stuff and to lay down this hair, is gel. Like, I use Ego styling gel and my baby hair brush, and I just lay it down, slay it for the day, and I'm able to take it off and go to bed. Because sometimes I have wigs that I sleep in. I just put my like my baby hair scarf on, like just tie it around this part, go to bed, and have to style it, and that sucks. But in this case, I can take it off, no problems. I don't have to use any water to let it rise up, and yeah, no, I don't have to do it with this one, and I love it. Shout out to this company. And they have other colors, but I was just like, I want to do something different and wear red. You have any questions about this hair, or you like, yeah, hey girl, I want to purchase it, I'll put that link in the description, but also in the comment section, you can say anything and I will respond. Okay, anything about the hair, okay? If you have any questions. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Share, like this video, and I'll see you later. Bye.